you can it's like an obstacle course. Yeah. So you've got climbers, then you go to Bobby Bridges, then you get to the climbing bit, and the course, and then you get to the monkey bars. I'm not that good at monkey bars. I can only get to the first bar. I can't get to the second one. I can't get to any of the bars.
But you can keep practicing, can't you?
Yeah. Practice makes perfect.
The behaviour on the playground has been so much better. They're not falling out as much, and also you can see the children really working together to help their peers get across all the obstacles, which is really lovely to see.
We have invested in an absolutely amazing outdoor classroom that the children are able to use at different times of the day. We use the outdoor classroom for a number of different activities when they're socialising at break times, but also for lessons. We use the outdoor classroom for reading sessions where the children can get up and get active.
We have noticed a massive difference in the children's behaviour, both on the playground and then when they come back into the classroom. They're focused a lot more and for a lot longer. I think because every day they've been able to go on the monkey bars and strengthen their hands and their wrists and their arms, it's meant that their handwriting is so much neater. And it also means that the children can write for much more sustained periods of time.
I hope tomorrow we can play on the equipment again, because I love playing on the equipment.
On behalf of Bedgrove Infant School, we would just like to say thank you so much for putting in our equipment.